We drove up the day before and stayed the night at Alger Falls Motel in Munising. We then took a very short ride to Munising Falls Visitor Center and boarded our shuttle, which took us to our starting point. Sunday morning, we are just dropped off by the shuttle, H58 West. Here we go. And I'm with Tree Frog. I got a sign coming up. I saw the sign. Please do not peel the birch bark. It will not grow back and kills the tree. All right. Those guys peeled the birch bark and made a whole canoe out of it. So you put a picture up there showing a birch bark canoe, and then you say, don't do it. We're at the 12 Mile Beach Campground. This is actually a car campground. You can come in here and camp. I said, those are some superior views. You know, the dad jokes. A bear was here. Bears stack rocks like that. So that's a sign that there are bears in the area.
Where's the, what do we call it, rock?
Right here. Is this one? It's smooth. It's got holes in it. Here, catch.
It's a cool rock. I don't know about waxing.
All right, put that in your pack. I'll carry that one. And this one too. This one's cool. And maybe that one. You carry all the rocks. The biggest, bestest hike's going to be out there on Isle Royal. Somewhere. Keweenaw Peninsula's way down there. Put those rocks back. No beach fires. On warm, humid days.
Pop up when we picked up that rock.
To pick up North Country Trail, follow road through 12 Mile Beach Campground. The NCT picks up again near Site 30. Water is available in the campground. Alrighty. This is, why does it say reserved? It's not reserved. Anyways, this is campsite number 4 at 12 Mile Beach Campground. And it's beautiful. And the beach is right down there. Big sand. Little patches of snow. Snow.
I didn't think that was right for some reason.
Well, you know, anything I have is yours if you need it. So I buy it for. It's just miles and miles of this gorgeous scenery. Perfect. Out today it's 59, 60 degrees. The sun's shining. It feels great. I'm just in a long sleeve polyester shirt. And I'm actually warm, sweating. Man, it's beautiful. Way off in the distance you can see a little bit of land. That's where we're going to end up. Today we're going to Pine Bluff. It's been real easy going so far. Most of it's through the pines. The trail's soft. The water's crystal clear.
Said I bet the biscuits and gravy in the morning are gonna taste great.
Oh yeah, it is. I can't believe how beautiful it is out here. Like this is, I don't think, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I wouldn't want it any warmer or any colder. This is the 7 Mile group campsite. Fair box.
Nothing in it.
Oh, half a shovel. And half a canoe. Where's the other half of the canoe? Sir, where are you going in that canoe? Up the hill?
Yeah, just going.
Is it easier than hiking? I wonder how far you get in Lake Superior in that thing. Think you make it to Isle Royal? Paddle really fast? Sit in the front?
Kind of real fast.
Entering the Beaver Basin Wilderness Area.
Sweet. There's 2 campsites that way.
Thereabouts.
Good place to camp by the water. What do you say?
Thereabouts.
Seven Mile Beach campground. So yeah, they just have like one fire pit. There's not one at each site. A communal fire pit. That's where all the sites are.
Yeah.
Well, just came right around the corner and found the car. Was not expecting that to just pop out like it did. What do we got here? This is abandoned in the woods along Lake Superior on the North Country Trail. I don't know, a 40 something? That's the names carved in it. Oh, it's a sunroof. Anybody need a column shifter for whatever this is? Oh, I broke the car.
Good freaking gun.
Dang it. This is not in bad shape. Somebody could fix this. Still got a transmission. We are at Pine Bluff campsite number 2. There's Jake.
You see me?
I see you.
Howdy.
Got my tarp all set up.
I'm gonna do mine in a little bit.
Jake's over there making lunch by the fire pit. No fire yet. There's the bear box for your food so the bears don't come and try to eat you. And this is my hammock. I got this top cover on it for cold weather instead of the bug net. And I got this down underquilt underneath it on the outside. And on the inside I got this other down top quilt. It's gonna be nice and toasty tonight. It's supposed to get down to 30 something. So we'll be fine in here. I'll set up. I'm just laying down and relax for a little bit before I get up and make something to eat. What do you do with 12 miles of beach to yourself and not a single soul or a footprint? Going in to filter some water. Taking shoes off. Loading up for tomorrow's trip. Tomorrow we're heading to the beginning of the cliffs down there. The All-American Works Burger. Grilled seasoned ground beef with the works. Tomato, cheddar cheese, sliced onions, and classic condiments. I'll let that sit for 15 minutes. Yeah. Tastes like a cheeseburger.
Was tired after that and went right to bed.
Monday morning, Pine Bluff Campground, site number 2. That was my bed right there, my hammock. Slept like a baby last night in that thing. It's great. There's Jake. Plenty of room at site 2 for hammocks. Multiple sites for hammocks, trees for hammocks. I just woke up. This is a nice spot here. I like this lot. There's site number 1. Here's the bear box. And there's number 3. I think there's one more over there, maybe. We got our fire pit right here. Trails right over there, and Lake Superior is right over there also. Supposed to be warmer today in the 60s and windy, up to 40-mile-an-hour winds, I think I heard. So we're gonna get some breakfast going here. We're gonna wake up the boy, get him moving, and get on trail. So freaking nice. I gotta wake up. I need some coffee. Alright, we're getting some coffee going here for this morning to wake up. Fire's going. Kinda going. Oh, it's going good. Jake's over there, what you doing over there?
Boiling some water.
What are you making?
What's with pork sauce?
Sounds good. Is that one of those gourmet packet meals? There goes the fruit roll-up card. The bear roll-up card. Leaving Pine Bluff campsite, start day number 2. Just give you another quick look around. We're here on May 9th is today. And you can see there's still some pretty good piles of snow laying around. Even though today it's going to be in the 60s and yesterday was in the 50s, it's still getting down to 30s, 40s at night. And last couple weeks it was still really cold, so we timed it just right. Couldn't ask for better weather right now. Today's 60 sunnies. Yesterday was like 55 and sunny. I was definitely warm. I was sweating walking. Perfect. Pine Bluff's campsite's a great one. If anybody's curious what it looks like, you got the communal fire pit out here in the middle. And I think there's 4 or 5 campsites. One over there, there's one over there. There's one here, and then the one back there where we were at is number 2. It's got the bear box for your food storage. There's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 campsites in the fire pit. What? It says there's a toilet? I gotta go check that out. I don't think there was an actual toilet. Alright, I just went around and checked. There's no toilet over there. That is false. The toilet is wherever you make it out there, but there's no actual toilet over there. We're almost ready to go, it looks like. Still following the beach. 10 miles later. Never gets old. Every time it comes to a stop, when we get to look out there and see how freaking beautiful it is. Sure is nice. North Country Trail, Beaver Creek Campground. This is a nice one. Next time we bypass Pine Bluff and come to Beaver Creek, flows right out into Lake Superior here. There's a bald eagle. Nope, it's a crow. Tricked me. And there's the cliffs in the distance. I think that's Grand Portal. And Chapel Rock should be up there somewhere, closest one. There's a big raven up there in the tree. Jake. Coming to get you. Started way down there. Past that point further on. Sun shining. Lake Superior is calm. That might be a bald eagle. Looks like it. It's a beautiful day. Good day to be out here hiking, good day to be alive. Alright, just stopped to refill our waters. Eat some pistachios. Jake's eating his favorite peanut butter. Oh no, fruit snacks. Look at that.
Peanut butter right now.
And ready to get back on trail. Beaver Creek, there's the bridge. I got some big beavers around here. Big old beavers. These all just fall down. These are growing on the shoreline. They just fell in. Like this guy. Ugh. What the hell? That's a muskrat?
Something. Must have been right over here. Someone just jumped in.
Had a rat tail. Cool, we drink muskrat piss water.
Nice.
Extra vitamins. That's cool. Our first sight of some rocky structures. Like some caves up there. We are just a little bit past Cove's campsite area. And here we are. Here, tell us the story.
So we just passed that big rock.
Yeah.
Dad farted right before it, and he took my picture.
The end. Getting closer. Getting higher. Here's a tree. The roots are all exposed completely. Oh, it's dead.
That's rock character.
He's a man of few words. Even fewer than I. Alright, we're at the top. We just came up this path right here, and boom, this is our first view of some of the pictured rocks cliffs. And I am standing on one right now. Let's look over the edge. Cool stuff. I wanted to do this my whole life. This is big. There comes tree frog, toadstool, or whatever the hell his name is. Blister toes. Rabbit ears. Jake the snake.
Wow.
We're on one right now. I just looked over. We're.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get away so you can look. Please don't fall. God.
Yeah.
Started at the bottom, now we're at the top.
I don't know where.
This is the path that goes right here. And actually it's eroding away right there into the water. We're continuing up this way. There's Spray Falls. This is Spray Falls. Right there is where it drops off the cliff. Let's see how close we can get. Oh, I can't quite get to it. I'm gonna trip and fall off this damn cliff. Hopefully you can see it. It's stretched out. And then once you cross Spray Falls, I don't know what river this is. It just says Spray Falls. So whatever river it is, Spray River, Spray Falls River. Anyways, after leaving that, we just left the Beaver Basin Wilderness area. We entered that somewhere back by 12 Mile Beach.
Really?
Way back.
Big area.
Beautiful though. Can't say it enough. Probably get tired of me saying it. It's beautiful. It'll be interesting to see what's past this corner here. I think that's going to be Chapel Rock. And I think back in that corner is where Chapel Beach is going to be. That's probably in there. Because there's no beach over there. And there's no beach here.
Will Chapel Rock be around the corner? I don't know. Stick around. Wait for part 2. See what we find.